Goeiedag. Good day. Dit is juffrou Adinda hierso en vandag gaan ons fokus op voegwoorde en tussenwerpsels. Today we're going to focus on conjunctions and interjections. Wat is 'n voegwoord? What is a conjunction? 'n Voegwoord is 'n woord wat twee sinne bymekaar voeg. A conjunction is a word that puts two sentences together. Byvoorbeeld, en, want, maar, of. En 'n voorbeeld is, ek is honger, ek is dors. Ek is honger en dors. Words like conjunctions are and, because, but if you use it in a sentence, for example, if we have I am hungry, I am thirsty. I am hungry and thirsty. The conjunction puts the two sentences together. Then we get interjections. Dan kry ons tussenwerpsels. 'n Tussenwerpsel is nie 'n woord met 'n spesifieke betekenis nie, maar dit kan 'n emosie aandui. An interjection does not have a specific meaning, but it can indicate an emotion, usually at the beginning of a sentence. 'n Tussenwerpsel soos eina wys vir my dat die persoon het seer gekry. Sjoe! Die persoon lyk verbaas. Ag! Die persoon is teleurgestel. For example, eina means ow indicates pain. Ow! I stubbed my toe. Shoo! I am surprised. Ach, did you forget your homework again? It shows an emotion of disappointment. Now let's practice our words. The first time I'm going to read it out to you and you're going to say it with me, and the second time you're going to try to write them down. Die eerste keer gaan ek dit saam met jou lees en die tweede keer gaan jy probeer om dit neer te skryf. Goed. Are you ready? Okay. En, want, maar, eina. Sjoe! Ach! Now you can grab a piece of paper and try to write them down. Are you ready? Okay. En, want, maar, eina. Sjoe! Ag! Baie dankie. Thank you very much. Feel free to repeat this video until you are comfortable with the words, and I hope you have a lovely day. Lekker dag. Totsiens.